quite get out here fast enough. I did not hear him blow at the first crossing. They definitely stopped and grabbed all their metal. Interesting, I got a message from Alter Metal with a picture showing that they just redid the entire yard with brand new tracks. Big enough to haul, or big enough to store 10 cars at a time. Look at that, they already filled those 10 cars in a day. That's pretty cool, eh? Wow. Thought you were gonna beat me today, didn't you? Yeah, coming back. Obviously, it's the next day. And it's Friday. Friday! Anyway, it looks like a bunch heading to Pembine. I'd imagine these empty cars will probably go to the log yard. A little chillier today, highs only in the 60s. It's been raining this morning. More rain coming. Look at that, a couple more cars, a finished Smart Side product, as well as the cars from Alter Metal on the end. Everybody's been asking in the comments, does this railroad own any other locomotives? Do we only see 402 and 503? At the current time, yes. Those are the only two locomotives that work the northern end. ELS 501 and 502 have been working south of Crivets towards Green Bay. They also have a bunch of other locomotives in Menominee where they do work, as well in Escanaba. So there are more locomotives, but these are the only ones that we see around here working a lot. So anyway, make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button, make a comment below. We got an orange spread. You guys have a great day, eh?